Do you want to invest in mutual funds but are not sure how to open a mutual fund account? Don't worry. In this video, I'll show you how to open a mutual fund account on our website step by step. But before that, make sure to have your bank details, your PAN card details, your nominee Aadhaar card or PAN card details if any. First, open your browser and search for growthevenues.in, our official website. Once the homepage opens, click on Open Mutual Fund Account. To create a new account, click on Sign Up and enter your personal details. Make sure all the details matches your PAN card and Aadhaar card records. Enter your email ID and your phone number. Enter the OTP that has been received on your email ID or phone number. And click on Sign Up to continue. To start the KYC verification process, continue using Google or your email ID. In the first step of KYC, enter your PAN card details, your date of birth, which is followed by your father's name, your gender, and your address information. Next, add your bank account details. Enter your bank account number, your bank account type, your IFSC code. Now, select your place of birth, your annual income, occupation, and your source of wealth. After this, choose a nominee which is very important for your financial security. You can add up to 3 nominees for your account. In the final step, submit the form using a digital signature or you can upload your signature. Congratulations on your successful onboarding. Now you will receive two emails, one from JBV containing your login credentials and second from NSC for your UCC activation. Now go to your email and look for email from NSC for your UCC activation and click on authorization link. Accept the terms and conditions and authenticate using the OTP received on your mobile phone or email. That's it. Your mutual fund account is now successfully opened and your login details will be sent to your email. Using those details, log into your account and start your investment journey with confidence. For step by step guidance on SIP mandate activation and risk profiling, please watch our next video.